Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Expert, where we dive into SwiftUI and make app development easy and fun. Today we're going to learn about something super useful, how to use alerts in SwiftUI. Alerts are a great way to grab the user's attention for confirmations, warnings, or just to provide some important information. Let's jump into the code. First, launch Xcode. Once Xcode is open, click on Create a new Xcode project. Select the app template under iOS and click Next. Now, give your project a name. Let's call it Alert Demo. Make sure the interface is set to SwiftUI and the language is Swift. Leave the other options as default and click Next. Xcode will now generate a basic SwiftUI project for you. First, we need a state variable to control whether the alert is visible. Here's how you do it. At state private var show alert equals false. The that state variable will toggle the alert on and off. Next, let's create a button. When tapped, it will set the show alert variable to true, displaying the alert. VStack a button show alert true. Alert title is presented a show alert button, OK, roll, cancel. Message, a text. This is the alert message. Run the application to see the output. A state variable. The show alert state variable controls whether the alert is shown. Alert modifier used to configure the alert. It takes a title, a condition is presented, actions, buttons, and an optional message. Want to make it more interactive? You can add multiple buttons to your alert. Alert, choose an option, is presented, show alert. Button, option were, print, option ma selected. Button, option 2, print, option 2 selected. Button, cancel, roll, cancel, RT. You can add multiple buttons with different roles such as cancel or dot destructive. Run the application to see the output. To show an alert for destructive actions, alert delete item is presented show alert. Button a delete role destructive print item deleted. Button cancel role cancel. Message Alext, are you sure you want to delete this item? Run application to see the output. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more SwiftUI tips. See you next time.